welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to generate leads and how to reach out to these leads that you'll find. Maybe if you're a new virtual assistant and you're looking for clients, you have not yet gotten clients and you are hoping to find one. Maybe this is one of the ways that can help you find clients that are going to be interested in the services that you have to offer. All right, so with that being said, let us head over to the next video to start finding leads.
So what we are going to do now is to select any of our social platforms where we want to find the list that we want to find. As me, you are using LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media handle apps that you are using. For me, I'm using LinkedIn, so I'm going to use LinkedIn. This is where I want to find my leads on the clients that I want to pitch. So I'm going to first of all open my LinkedIn. Now my LinkedIn is open. Now the next thing for me is to start searching. I want to search for coaches. Okay, I want to search for real estate professionals. Real estate professionals. Professional. I'm going to click search and I'm looking for people. If you look at the options here, you're going to see jobs. Are you looking for real estate jobs, posts, people, groups, companies, whatever? So if you're looking for companies, fine. If you're looking for people, fine. So depending on people that you're looking for. So we are looking for people. You click on people. So once you click on people, you're going to see the people there. But another thing is we have not chosen our location. Where are you looking for these people? In which part of the world? Are you looking for people that are in Africa, in America, in Europe, in Asia? So choose your location. So I'm looking for people that are real estate developers that are in the United States. All right, United States and Nigeria. I'm going to select both and I'm going to click on show results. All right. Now, this is where our get prospects apollo.io and contact out. This is where it works perfectly. So I'm going to open my apollo.io so that I'll be able to scrape the data of all the leads that I've generated. So I'm trying to open my apollo.io. That is the lead generation tool that I want to use. What is wrong? What is wrong? My Apollo is supposed to open automatically. Okay. Thank God my contact out is working perfectly fine. That is why it is good to have multiple lead generation tools. For me now, as you can see on my Chrome extension, I have contact out, I have get prospect, and I have apollo.io. And right now my apollo.io seems not to be working, and my contact out is working perfectly fine. So once you have opened up all your leads, once you have found the people that you search through LinkedIn, your lead generation app is supposed to automatically open. Once you click it, it's supposed to automatically open and start showing you all the leads that are in this your LinkedIn now. Are you seeing it now? So my contact out have already collected the contacts of these people that I search now. You can see. Why is it showing me only people from Nigeria? I'm seeing only Nigerian names. It's like I'm going to change the location. I want more of people that are in United States. So let me just select only United States for now. All right. Now it has given me names of people that are in the United States. Here's my contact out again. Contact out. It has disappeared again. All right. So these things get. All right. So it's here are the names now. You can see them. Now I would like to collect the data Contact out have already scraped this data. The information of the list that I generated now is already in contact out. So I'm going to select them and export them to maybe my Google Doc or my Google Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to export it now, or I will save them here. I can decide to save them here or add them to a list. Adding it to a list is going to be fine. I can create a list automatically. Or I can send them to hotspots. These are the things that you can do with this list that you have created. You can send them to hotspots. You can create a folder or you can create a list in your contact out. So what you're going to do now is to scroll down. Okay. Please, first of all, click on select in the box before. Check the box. Then you click on save all profiles. Okay, so you're going to save. You select lists. Once you select list, you're going to click on this drop down arrow here by the side. You're going to see create new folder. So we are going to create a different folder because we already have a folder for Startups Australia. So we're going to create a folder for Real Estate Developers United States or US States, USA, Real Estate Professionals, USA. So you're going to save. So all these lists that you have generated now will save in that list. All right. So because I am using a free plan, it might not really save because I'm using a free plan. This profile is restricted on the free plan. Upgrade your plan to view all profiles. All right. So you see what it said. Profile is saved. Let's know if we can select another people on our LinkedIn here. So let me you can scroll down on your LinkedIn. You are going to see page number 2. So let's look for leads in page number 2. All right. So on page number 2, we have another set of people, another set of leads. So we are going to scrape it again through our using our contact out. So contact out, it have selected their names, their emails, their phone number, and all that. Um, Scroll down and save all profiles. Save. Okay, it has saved 6. So I'm going to continue to do this until I've collected the number of leads. Let me check the profile that I opened. Let me know how many leads that have been saved. View profile. So I want to view the ones that I've already saved. Let me see how far we have come. As you can see the contacts that I've saved, their names and their you see. So we are going to go ahead. These are the contacts of the list that we have generated. I've viewed the list now. So I'm going to go ahead and check this box. Check the box and select all the contacts. As you can see, all the boxes of the contacts has been selected. They have all been selected. You can see that. Now, what you are going to do with this contact is that you can either start sending an email campaign to them. You can connect this email campaign to your your Gmail, your Google Mail, or to your Microsoft Outlook. So whichever one you are using, you can connect these contacts into your Gmail, bring them into your Gmail, and start sending emails to them. Or you can export them. As when a client asks you to generate these leads, you can transport them you can export them as a CSV file into Google Excel or Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Excel, or you can export it to your CRM, to maybe your hotspot or your sales whatever CRM tool that you're using. So for me, I normally use hotspots. Some people use pipeline, so whichever one that you're using, some people use Salesforce. So whichever one you're using, you can connect it, and you see Salesforce is here, hotspot is here, and others, even Zapier. So you can export them to these places. So because of this thing, I'm going to be using email campaign. So I'm going to start creating an email campaign that I will send to these 12 contacts that have 12 leads that I've generated. So I'm going to connect it to my Gmail. Okay, I need to give all permission to contact out. Okay, select all. I'm going to click on select all. Continue. All right, so here we are. I've already connected it to my um I've connected it to my Gmail. Sorry. So I'm now going to start sending my email. Select campaign. Now, I've not yet created any email campaign, but because of this, I'm going to create it right away. So remember, the first email campaign that we're going to create is introduction. It's a cold outreach because they don't know you. They don't know you now. They don't know you yet from anywhere. All right. So you are going to start creating an email campaign. So here is our campaign. This is the date, today's date. Um, so we are going to add our subject. Remember, you have to make your subjects, you have to make it catchy. I noticed this about your business. It's going to be a good subject, you know. Now I don't have templates. I don't have any templates now. So you can create a template if you have any, but I don't have any now. All right. So all these things are things you're going to do later. You create a template, you save it to your contact out. So now I'm going to start typing. You can type in anything you want to do. Hi. Now we need to personalize this email. So here now, we have already inserted our message, the message or the email that we want to send. Or you can even ask AI to write this email. You can ask AI to write this email, but I don't want to use this. All right. So, oh my God, excuse me. As you can see from this email, I added placeholders, tags, this first underscore name. This is in order to personalize your email. This email that I remember I'm sending to 12 persons, 12 clients. So I need this email to say their name. Hi, if it is Charles, hi Charles, hi Sonia, all those kind of things. So I need the email to be personalized. That's why I included this uh, placeholder so that this system can automatically include their names and their company names. Now, the next thing that you need to make sure that at the ending, when you are concluding your email, that after you have put in looking forward to meet you, warm regards, make sure that you put your email signature. Excuse me. Make sure that you put your email signature, that your email signature is there. For example, your name, your website, your phone number, anything that your clients can use and reach out to you. Include it in your email signature. That is the last thing that you should see after warm regards, after the greetings. Then your name, you all right? So you put it there. Now you can also ask AI. I have shown us this. You can ask AI to write this email. You can also include files or documents. You can also put in links. These links can be like the link of my website. You can see I put it and I named it. This is a link. This website. If my client clicks it, then my website will be opened. So I attached it as a link. Now you can also include a follow up email. If you include a follow-up email can be maybe after 3 days or after 2 days. If this client have not responded to this email, the follow-up email will automatically be sent out without you. You have automatically, you know, written the email, and you have automatically sent it out, so that at that time, if the clients have not responded, you can automate everything here. That is the beauty of using contact out. You can automate it just like this one now. I can decide to schedule this email. I can decide to schedule it by 12 p.m., because I believe that by 12 p.m. should be like 6 or 7 7 a.m. in the morning in the US. So I can decide to schedule it by 12 p.m. This is 10:43 a.m. here in West Africa. So I can decide to schedule it when by 12, or let me say by 2. I believe my clients will be in their workplace or in their office by then. By 2 p.m. or 3 p.m., whichever one is good for you. 2 p.m. later today, that's when I want this email to be sent out. The same thing, I can also include it, if add follow up later. So I want to add a follow up email. So I'm going to include this follow up if I want to. But if I don't want to, I can leave it and do it some other time. I just Okay. So let me put the subject. The subject can I need something that will make them open this email. Eh? Uh, you lost 40 hours in just 40 hours free time. So 40 hours free time in 2 days. In 2 days. You lost 40 hours free time in 2 days. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So this will make them to open this email. Unbelievable. All right. So I can now start typing my email. You can ask AI to write for you. Email after no response. Uh-huh. Concerning our service. So I'm going to edit the prompt here. All right. So this is good. Generate. Okay. Okay. This is good. This is good. Although I'm going to tweak some things a little. I'm going to remove some things. Make it suitable. Save. All right. 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 So this is good. So the next thing I'm going to do um is to send. As you can see, I've put in my follow up immediately after this. I'll put it in immediately after this. And I can also customize. When do I send this? 2 days later. Or 2 days later is okay. 2 days later. By what time? By 2 p.m. is also good. Continue. So I'm going to continue. Very good. And I'm going to, as you can see, our campaign is ready. So I'm going to click on start campaign. Start campaign. As you can see, my Gmail is sending this message out. Very good. And our first campaign has started. So Congratulations, guys. If you follow me all through this video up to this moment, bravo. And thank you for sticking around. And don't forget to share this video, like and subscribe video. Tell your friends about this and they will learn one or two things about how to find their ideal clients. Thank you. All right, so stay tuned. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.